Tornado Disinfection Kit is the only system that integrates 3 different forces at once. It is operated by a dedicated hand pace at 6,500 RPM. The 3 forces are activation of the sodium hypochlorite, turbulence within the sodium hypochlorite. Notice how the tornado effect lifts the gear in the test tube, and the centrifugal force effect that scrubs and smooths the dentinal walls with teeny wires. The effectiveness of those 3 forces is achieved due to 6 strands that open inside the canal and follow the anatomy 3-dimensionally. The process is finished within 20 to 30 seconds. Activation of the sodium hypochlorite intensifies and compresses the fluid, penetrating the dentinal tubuli. This is accomplished by the centrifugal forces as well as the scrubbing effect of the 6 flexible and gentle strands spinning at 6,500 RPM. The aggressive turbulence generated by the Gentlefile brush brings the irrigant into intimate contact with the entire canal space, including the apical third. Their contact with the canal wall is self-adjusting and continuous. The brush scrubs the canal wall, exposing the dentinal tubules, and removes the biofilm.